Hello traders, the title of the video is how to combine breakout trading and head and shoulder chart pattern like April. Alright, so we have a very interesting scenario here. We are looking at the New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen, and I'm on a monthly chart. And if you look carefully on my chart here, we have a head and shoulder chart pattern. This is the right hand side shoulder here. This is the head, and this is the left hand side shoulder. The neckline for the New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen, is at 75187. Right? So here we are now. You see here. So those who are trading the head and shoulder chart pattern will measure the height of the head and project it down, setting ultimate target, bearish ultimate target, all the way down to 5693. Now, it doesn't mean that the price will definitely go there, but in theory, if one is trading a head and shoulder chart pattern, that's what one will expect. All right, that the price may not reach that target level, and then one will set also the midpoint target somewhere in the zone of 65931. So that's the midpoint target there. So sometimes the price may not reach the ultimate target, but will stop at the midpoint target. So the midpoint target is right here. As we have put there the midpoint target at 6591, you can understand that there is another key level here that sometimes trader will do that and they will forget about other key level. There's another key level here. You see, there's a resistance here. The price may prefer that, but they can push it to the midpoint target there. So be aware of that resistance there. So talking about how to combine the head and shoulder chart pattern and the breakout trading, this is a very interesting scenario, because if we have a head and shoulder chart pattern, we are expecting a bearish breakout at the neckline. So we're expecting the price to break below that neckline, which it did now. It break below it, and to retest it, which it did also here on the monthly chart. Those two candlestick bar are closed. First one bearish, break below, retest. Now people are selling here. All right, they have a good reason to sell it. This is becoming very interesting, because you can see that we have also a triangle here. Can you see that triangle, the blue triangle there? All right, I can push it even all the way here. All right, I can extend that triangle all the way there, and then move it this one all the way here. But I'm happy with what I got there. I use a conservative measurement. Okay, so talking about a breakout trading and a head and shoulder chart pattern, sometimes you have this scenario here when the right hand side shoulder will be a triangle. A lot of traders do not pay attention to that, all right, and they forget about it. So when a head and shoulder chart pattern is being formed, now we see it like this, all right, it's being formed, but it's only valid a head and shoulder chart pattern when the price finds a resistance below the neckline. You understand that? The price can turn around here and start going up. So what do you want to say about that? Price can come like this, consolidate on the right hand side shoulder, and then start going up. So the head and shoulder chart pattern is okay, confirm when the price finds a resistance below the neckline. Now talking about combining the head and shoulder chart pattern and the breakout trading, is that very often, remember this, very often, you will have at the right hand side shoulder a triangle, and you need to be aware of that. So with this scenario, that's exactly what we got here. We need to set another target by using the height of the triangle and project it there. So there is another target right there, which is almost corresponding to the resistance that I was mentioning earlier on. So you need to be aware of that. Though the target is there, you need to understand that. And also, one point I want to highlight, which is very, very important, as I was telling you, you see a head and shoulder chart pattern, it doesn't mean that definitely it will be validated. Let me say this again. You see a head and shoulder chart pattern, it does not mean that it will be definitely validated. So as you see here, you break below it, it retests, people are selling. If the signal fell, which means people are selling, and you go to the signal time frame, you see that the signal has fell, that trade must be closed, and don't force it. You are trading one step at a time. The price may not reach the target. Sometimes it will go exactly there, but you want to manage the trade carefully. Another thing that is so important, like you see here, especially when we are talking about the triangle on the right hand side, the price can, because the triangle is telling us that anything is possible. The price can break above the triangle and find a support, and they start running away. And everybody, all these people, and you will run away very fast. Because why you will run away very fast? Because a lot of people just trying to sell it. Okay, so people are selling. Okay, here it is. They are selling on the top of the triangle, yes or no? Right. If you are just selling anywhere, anyhow, sometimes the price can break above the triangle and run away. Those are the things you want to take into consideration. So to summarize the video, talking about combining a head and shoulder chart pattern and the breakout trading, very often on the right hand side shoulder, you will see a triangle. The triangle is telling us that anything is possible. The head and shoulder chart pattern is only valid until the price finds resistance below the neckline. When you see the triangle on the right hand side, understand that the price can break above the triangle and run away very, very fast. You want to sell below the neckline or on the edge of the triangle. You see here, trader was selling on the edge of the triangle. So you may decide, if you see a signal on the edge, you may sell there and take it down to the base of the lower part of the triangle. Okay, price may oscillate a long time in the triangle before coming down. So the smart traders, sometimes when they see the triangle like this, they are selling here. They don't wait until the price breaks below the neckline. So they are just taking a chance, gently, before it will pop out very fast. That's why sometimes you may see head and shoulder chart pattern. You are waiting for another break below and retest, and you will notice that the price will run very fast. Then it's too late. All right. So this will conclude our discussion today about how to combine breakout trading and a head and shoulder chart pattern like a pro. I will be posting this video at the Pro Traders YouTube channel when I'm talking about breakout trading. If you have any question or suggestion, please put in the comment section. In due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. If this video has been truly useful to you, please let us know by giving us the thumbs up. If you dislike it, please mark it down. If you think this is an essential tutorial that can help other technical traders, please feel free to share it on Tumblr, Google+, Twitter, and also on Facebook. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel today. It is free. Click on the notification bell. Now, it's so important to click on the notification bell because now YouTube also has started what we call the premiere videos. So the premiere video allows us to show the video to our subscribers in real time, like you go to movie and you watch the movie from the beginning to the end. So it will be scheduled. So it's like you're going to film. They say the film will start at 3 o'clock. So you receive a notification. If you click on the notification bell, you receive a notification that at 3 o'clock there will be a premiere of a video. If you are interested, you are at the rendezvous, at the meeting point, and the video will start streaming on YouTube live as you are watching it, as you go, like if you went to watch a film. It is a very important function. Google allow me to use that at the 24 Elliott Way YouTube channel, and I hope YouTube will also allow me to use the premiere function at the Pro Traders YouTube channel. If not, I'll wait until that function is also in place for that channel. Alright, so click on the notification bell. If you are watching the video on Facebook, alright, subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you are watching it on YouTube, you don't know our Facebook page, it is Stochastic-MACD, Stochastic-MACD Facebook page, and you can like our Facebook page, and also follow us there, because sometimes I will post video first on Facebook before posting them on YouTube. Sometimes I'll post them first on YouTube before posting them on Facebook. So you want to know what's going on. All right. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders, talking about how to combine breakout trading and head and shoulder chart pattern like a pro. Thank you for watching.